From a symbol of economic vitality to a harrowing tale of debt and default, China's Evergrande Group's stunning downfall is sending shockwaves through global markets. This once mighty property developer's precarious financial spiral serves as a cautionary sarg about unchecked growth and its far-reaching impact, illuminating the intricate ties between economic powerhouses and the fragility that underscores them. As the world holds its breath, the fate of Evergrande looms not just as a corporate crisis, but a pivotal juncture with potential to reshape China's economic landscape and reverberate worldwide. China's Evergrande Group, once a major property developer in the country, has filed for bankruptcy protection in a U.S. bankruptcy court in New York. The company had heavily borrowed and defaulted on its debts in 2021, triggering a significant property crisis in China's economy that continues to have ripple effects. The filing was made under Chapter 15 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code, which provides protection for non-U.S. companies undergoing restructurings from creditors seeking to file lawsuits or tie up assets in the United States. Evergrande's move comes as concerns grow that the issues in China's property sector could spill over into other parts of the economy, especially with China's economic growth slowing down. China's real estate sector, which accounted for up to 30% of the country's GDP, was a crucial growth engine. Evergrande's default in 2021 sent shockwaves through the property markets and broader financial system in China. This default was preceded by Beijing's efforts to curb excessive borrowing by developers in order to control soaring housing prices. The fallout from Evergrande's collapse was further compounded by a broader economic slowdown in China. Several other major Chinese developers, including Cassia, Fantasia, and Shimao Group, have also defaulted on their debts. Even Country Garden, a significant player in the industry, has struggled, missing interest payments and fueling concerns about the health of the sector. Evergrande, with more than 1,300 real estate projects across over 280 cities, was burdened with a massive debt load of approximately $340 billion, which was about 2% of China's entire GDP. The company also reported substantial losses amounting to $81 billion over 2021 and 2022. In an attempt to address its financial issues, Evergrande introduced a debt restructuring plan, which was the largest of its kind in China. This plan included agreements with international bondholders, focusing on returning to normal operations over the next few years, but requiring substantial additional financing. To secure its electric vehicle unit, the company sought investment, such as the $500 million from Dubai-based NWTN. China's property crisis also affected other companies like Tianji Holdings, which also sought Chapter 15 protection in a Manhattan bankruptcy court. The turmoil in the property sector has raised concerns about its impact on China's broader economy, causing investors to worry about the viability of the sector's debt restructuring plans. This ongoing situation has prompted fears of a slowdown in the property sector, historically a significant driver of China's economic activity. The concerns over the sector's stability coincide with challenges such as deflation, weak exports, and high youth unemployment that Beijing is already facing. As Evergrande and other developers continue to navigate these financial challenges, the outcome could have far-reaching implications for China's economic landscape and its approach to managing property and debt-related crises.